One of the questions people often have is, why is my water pressure so low? And one of the problems can possibly be that your aerator is plugged. The aerator itself is a strainer also, but it breaks the water up and kind of aerates it a little bit. But notice the little particles in there. The aerator itself is red, but there's all these particles in there. So just taking, I had to scratch it out a little bit, rinse it off with a little bit more water. And there's a lot of calcium buildup. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of calcium buildup. The water system that I'm on has moderately hard water. And so I'm going to put that back on after I've cleaned it out. And much higher pressure coming out of there now. That's one reason why your water pressure can be low.